What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little different. I decided to do a vlog style where has Ari been video, and honestly, I have not recorded any new content recently. The last video that I uploaded was pre-recorded, and yeah, so I really have not filmed anything since the beginning of April, and it's currently May. About to be, by the time we blink, it's going to be June. So I have some things planned, but you know, I just haven't had the time to sit down and get it done the way that I wanted it to, or circumstances for how I needed to get things done just did not get done. So I haven't done a vlog in a while, and I've done some pretty exciting things since my last vlog, which was when I went to Virginia for a couple of days with my family. So I've done some fun stuff here and there, but I just didn't vlog it. So this is a little bit more boring vlog, if you will, but I decided, you know, I woke up this morning, I was feeling good, but I just could not get out of the bed, and I just felt like blah. So I was just like, I need to get up, get out, do something. I need to beat my face and act like I'm somebody, because I am somebody. No, but really, that's how I was feeling. So I got up, I slapped some makeup on. Look at that highlight, oh, wait. Okay, anyway, moving on. So I got up, I slapped on some makeup eventually, and got on the road. So it's currently 4:33. I know, I'm so mad that I just let my day go by like that. Like, girl, you should have been got it together. Anyway, I digress. So it's 4:33 right now. I'm at Crabtree Valley Mall in Raleigh, and I'm just gonna take you on a little bit of my journey today. It's Mother's Day weekend, so I'm about to go grab her a present. You know, my mom's very funny. She's like, she'll see me buy something, or like a clothing, a piece of, just can't talk. She'll see me like buy a clothing article or a piece of clothing and be like, oh my God, like, when can I wear that? Can I borrow that? Da 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 da. But like, I'm just like, sometimes you like my style, sometimes you don't. I'm just like, what? So I'm gonna maybe get us some matching outfits from my favorite store, Forever 21. So I'm gonna see if I can find something in there for the both of us to wear for tomorrow, and that'll be lit and clutch and something nice, because she always wants to borrow my entire wardrobe. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm just gonna take you on my journey to do that today. And maybe I can get a little personal, because you guys really don't know me. Like, I don't know all of my subscribers, obviously, all 259, 60 of y'all. I am just so honored and privileged that y'all have subscribed to my channel. Like, I don't even know. Like, some of y'all are complete strangers to me, but you still take time to follow me and watch my content. I'm extremely grateful for that. So before I jump out of the car, what do I want to tell you about myself? Let's see. Well, I am a 24-year-old college student at East Carolina University. My favorite color is green. What else you guys want to know about me? My favorite soda is Pepsi and or ginger ale. I shouldn't be drinking neither one of them, because soda is bad for your body, but YOLO. I am saved to the bone, love the Lord. I have a heart for God. Not perfect, but I have a heart for God, and I'm just gonna leave that right there if you can't, you know. Anyway, let's see. My birthday is November 28th, so I'm a turkey baby. I'm a Sagittarius. I don't really go by horoscope, but if you identify with that, that's what I am. I have two degrees. I have associates in general education, and I have a bachelor's in criminal justice, and I'm working on my third degree. Another bachelor's in film and media production. What else is cool about me? I have a thing for fashion and makeup. You know, the side hobbies, not passions, but I have a thing for them. I have I have 3 brothers. I am the oldest of all boys, and the only girl. Obviously of all boys, obviously, whatever. You knew what it meant. And let's see. Yeah, so those are a few basic nuggets about me. My favorite food, I love pizza, but I have like different categories of food that I like. I like Mexican, I like Chinese, I like Italian, I like soul food, I like I pretty much eat anything, but like my favorite like go-to food is probably like pizza, like a general food. But like my favorite food, like outside of that, would be oxtail and collards with white rice, which my dad be hooking up. Don't ask him to cook because he's gonna say no. But oxtail collards and then sweet potato casserole. Those are also my favorites as well. I know how to drive stick shift, but the car that I have is automatic. Ooh, thank you God, because I drove a stick for maybe like a little over a year, under a year, and I was just like, and I enjoyed it for the time being, but I was just like, I would rather have an automatic car all day, every day. My dream car, like just to have one, not even really even use it, but like would be a Lambo. But like if I wanted to upgrade my car, probably just be another all black SUV of some sort, a Jeep or whatever is out there that's cool. I always thought about like a Range Rover, but I don't need all that. I just need something to get me from point A to point B that's black, and we gonna be all right. I'm not big on materialistic things, so yeah, so I guess those are some basic things about me that you don't know. I love nature. I love being outside when I'm not about to die of a heat stroke. I enjoy nature. Yeah, so if you find this video interesting so far and you have more questions and you want to know more about me, just leave them in the comment section and maybe I'll do a part 2 to this random vlog, get to know me type style video. Yeah, that's all I have right now. So I'm about to go ahead and go in the store, or go into the mall rather, and yeah, so I'm gonna get out this car because it's hot. So I'll see you in the mall. Y'all, I'm out here with a whole fanny pack. Don't y'all judge me, because that is the only way I'm able to carry this camera without looking crazy. Well, I still look crazy because it's a whole fanny pack, but you know, it's all good. The weather is freaking spectacular today, like freaking spectacular. It's like probably like 80 degrees or so. It's pretty hot out here, so yeah. So this is where we are. We're headed inside before I burn up and die in this hot weather. At least there's a little bit of a breeze. Trying to make sure this car lock touch, Lord. But it's a breeze, but it's like a muggy breeze. There's a slight bit of moisture in the air. I sound like a meteorologist right now, but yeah, I'm just like, what is going on with this? I can't stand like dry hot heat, but then the moisturized heat is not great either. So anyway, I digress. Find something, because H&M always has good deals. I'm sorry I'm not looking at y'all, I keep looking at the viewfinder, but yeah, so we're gonna go head down there now. So question of the day for the vlog, if you watch it, tell me what are one of your pet peeves when you go to the mall. For me, it's when we're all walking in unison and then someone just decides to stop right in front of you, like they don't know where they're going. That is the worst to me. So yeah, comment down below what is your mall pet peeve when you go to the mall, if you go to the mall. So yeah, so I looked in H&M and I didn't see anything that I liked. Clearance rack was trash, because that's where I got the clearance rack. Okay, we don't pay full price for nothing. So I'm gonna go, well, I'm in Forever 21 now, and I'm gonna see if I find something that me and my brother could both rock, you know. So we're on the hunt, starting now. So currently in the dressing room, as you can see, and these are a few of the options that I picked out for us to have for our matching dresses. I could not find, or matching outfits, I could not find this dress, so I might just put that back. But I'm gonna try out these jumpsuits and these pants, and we're gonna see which one we like, and we'll go from there. So yeah, stay tuned. So this is option number one, or was option number one. Cute jumpsuit, really cute. I would rock the mess out of it. The only problem is like these buttons right here, you can see all my good stuff. I'm just like, what? Okay, so that's an issue, because I mean I could pull it off with like an undershirt, but like it would have to be strapless of some sort, because the straps, you can see my bra, you could see like the sides hanging out and stuff like that. I'd get away with it if I had like a jacket, but then the back is all out. So I don't think this is gonna work, and if I don't think it's gonna work, I know darn well my mother thinks it's not gonna work. But it's so cute. But if I was like going somewhere like out of town, I could easily wear these with some like the adhesive bra, strapless bra, and just, you know, be free. But yeah, not gonna work. So on to option number two. All right, so here's option number three. This is Bombtail maxi dress, super cute. We could get away with it, you know, the strapless bra of some sort, or a sweater. But the limit is there's only one of these that I found. So I would literally have to look across the entire store to find another one like this, and I don't know, we're gonna look, but I highly doubt we're gonna find another one. And another thing is, because my mom is a little bit shorter than me, the length might be too much for her. But if she wears it with heels, she might be able to get away with it. So I'm pretty tall. Oh, and this janky door, help. But I'm pretty tall, as you can see. So she's like yay high to my high, like right here maybe. So I don't know, we'll see. And I couldn't show you option number two. I'm just gonna insert a picture of it because my slow tail didn't wear an undershirt today. But the pants might be our go-to if I can't find another dress like this. So yeah. This dress is so cute. It's so cute, but it's not about me. It's about Mother's Day. So I'm gonna see what else I find, and if I don't find anything else, I'm just gonna go with pants, because I found both of them and are same size. So yeah. So we're out here in the cut. We got what we needed. I ended up getting the pants. Could not find another dress like that, which I figured. It's about almost 6 o'clock. I'm getting ready to eat because I haven't eaten anything all day. I don't even know how I'm sustaining. They have like a new Thai place here at Crabtree Mall. Normally I go to Sakura, Japan, and I get their food. But I decided to try this. It's black pepper chicken and mango chicken. So I'm gonna try that real quick and see how I like it. And yeah. Out of the mall, as you can see from some of my, so I'm finally out of the mall, and yeah, I know my mother would like for me to come home because she hates when I go out by myself, but I'm just like, so I might make one more stop and then head on home. So an hour ride back to the house. But yeah, so I'm overstimulated for the day. I've seen too many faces at the mall. I'm over it. I'm over it now. Too many faces, too many bodies. Just stuff like that overwhelms me. I don't know if I'm the only person, but if I don't have a person there with me to distract me of that, then I'm just overstimulated by the end of the day. So yeah, so we got what we wanted, and yeah, that's pretty much it for my day, kind of. Trying to figure out if I want to make one more stop or not, like I just said. And if I do, I'll come back to you. If not, I'll probably get back to you when I get to the house. So yeah. And also, another reason why I haven't really been filming a whole lot lately is because we're in the process of possibly moving soon, and I had to take my backdrop down because we're doing that right now. And I had to shift some stuff around in my room, so the area that I normally record in with my backdrop and everything has kind of been disturbed, so I have to rearrange all that, figure out how I want to do it so that I can film without other stuff interfering with the house and everything like that. So yeah. But yeah, so let me get up out of here. I've been sitting here for the past 20 minutes and I should probably get up and go now. So yeah. So I made it back, guys. I'm about to go in the house, and yeah, I'm trying to hurry up and wrap this vlog up because I'm about to get ate up by mosquitoes, and we ain't about that life. And I look an oily hot mess, whatever. But yeah, so if you guys enjoy videos like these, just let me know. I know it's kind of all over the place. I didn't have anything planned or structurized in any form, and yeah, but just wanted to take time to just, you know, do something a little more personal. But going forward, I hope to have more vlogs, more lit vlogs, and me actually doing fun and exciting stuff. This was inspired by NJ Simmons, my bro. Check out his channel. I'm gonna link it in my description box. He does like vlog style videos. He has a whole bunch of creative content. If you just like creative out there things, look at his channel, subscribe, tell him I sent you in the comments. Don't play. Tell him ArtofAri sent you. So yeah, but I'm gonna stop rambling. My mother actually just left. So anyway, whenever she gets back, I'll show her what I got for us for tomorrow. But yeah, so I hope to catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, be sure to leave any questions you have that you want to know about me in my description box, so I can maybe do a part 2 video where you get to know a little bit more about me. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, and I'll see you guys next time.